Welcome back, guys. This is the second part of the rich text editor in JS. So in the last lesson we learned what is iframe and how to use font awesome, and we learned how to make a text bold um, using execute command. And in this lesson we are going to complete all those remaining things of rich text editor. Okay, so let's complete it quickly. I'm just copying this, pasting here. Okay, so I'm just replacing the class names first. So italic, underline. Okay, whenever you get doubts, you just check the class names here. So what you need to do is you need to add fa you need to add fa hyphen that icon name, so it will give you the icon. Okay, so align left, align center, align right, align justify, and what we can support is okay, I'm giving cut copy option here. You can arrange it the way you want. Okay, now okay, indent, dedent, and anything else. Yeah, subscript, superscript, and undo. Redo is actually repeat icon name. Okay, order list or not a list, those things are rare. List ul, list ol, and let's give some option for paragraph. Okay, let's give some more. Okay, I'm going to add select options to provide the option for headings. Option value h1. Okay, let me copy this, and I'm duplicating this. h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Okay, I'm done with this now. Anything else? Yeah, the main important things are there. Before that, I just add. Let me copy this. We can give an option for horizontal rule. So I think there is no icons for horizontal rule. Okay, just I type it. Just type the name, and I'll give option for link and unlink. And okay, toggle between the source code. So toggle between the code and source code. So this button will be used for that. And okay, edit, and a button to toggle the edit mode. Okay, so I'm not sure about the font icon, so you can search and place it here. Now I'm typing just the text. Toggle edit. Okay, so let's give some option for selecting fonts. Okay, here the font name will come, like Arial and Comic Sans, MS, and Courier font, and Georgia, and anything else? Yeah, Tacoma, and Times New Roman. Oh, sorry. And Verdena. Okay, let's replace this here. Font is fine now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give options for font size. Actually the size is available between 1 and 7. So the 1 will be the minimum and 7 will be the maximum size. Okay, so actually this is the allowed size. Okay, 1. Let me copy this. Okay, just give the serial numbers. Okay, now we are done with font name and font size. Now we give option for color input type equal to, so just color picker. So this will this will work only on the HTML file. Okay, let me add the event listener later. Let me complete with this now. Copy, paste. Background for the selected text. Okay, and I think we are almost done with every option. Yeah, very important option we missed actually. Let me take a copy of this. Inserting image. Yeah, that's very important. File, image, I guess -o. Let's check whether it works or not. And a final option to select all the content of the rich text editor. Okay, select all. You just find the icon for it. I'm not going to find it because we're running out of time. Okay, let's test it quickly. Okay, I'm going to break down this toggle edit. I'm just going to break after toggle edit. Okay, we just take some time to design your UI, and okay, now we are done with the UI. I'm not going to make it better. Actually, this is fine for me. Let's jump into the functionality. All you have to you need to know is this command. This is the important thing. Okay, for italic you can give directly italic. Underline, the command is same. Strike through, T capital. And for align left, actually it is justify left. Center, justify center. Right, justify right. And justify full. For cut it is cut. For copy it is copy. For indent, yeah, this is indent. For dedent it is outdent. Subscript with the same command. Superscript. For undo, actually, yeah, same. Undo redo for unordered list. So the command name is insert unordered list. So obviously for ordered list this is insert ordered list. For paragraph, yeah, insert paragraph. Sorry, yeah. Okay, now come to the heading part. Actually this heading part needs the extra argument. Okay, so let me define method like this: execute command with org. Okay, here the command name will go, here the value of this particular control, this dot value. Okay, now come to the heading command name. So the command name is format block. Define the method in the JavaScript part. Command org. Okay, and you just copy the same method, nothing else. And pass the argument here. That's it, nothing else. Okay, let's continue with our commands. Okay, what is this HR? Okay, now this is actually insert horizontal rule. And what is this link? Yeah, actually this needs two parameters. One is command, one is the URL which is need to be linked. Okay, so sorry, create link, and we need a text. Okay, I'm using the JavaScript's prompt dialog. Enter URL, so this will get the input from the user, and this will be sent as an argument, but for that we need to use this method. And unlink, so for this the command is same, unlink. And what is this code? Actually this button is for toggle between source code and the page. Okay, so let's write new method here, toggle source. We'll define the method later. And what is this toggle edit? Okay, we can add this also, toggle edit. No params needed. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, for select this should be on change. I'm sorry for that. Copying it and I'm pasting here. Okay, the same method, but this should be font name, and this should be font size. Okay, the same method called here, but the command will be changed. For color, and the background color, actually it's not a background color, highlight color. The command name is actually highlight color. And yeah, this is the final thing, I guess. No, one more thing is there, and this is Okay, this needs two parameters, the command name and the image to be inserted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the prompt dialog, enter the image URL. Okay, so this is insert image. I'm sure this is right. Yeah, and the final thing is select all. Okay, we are almost done with everything of this of the text editor, but we need to define these two methods, toggle source and toggle edit. Let's do it quickly. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to define two boolean variables here, just to know whether the content which is showing is source code or page. Okay, showing source code actually false for the first time, and I'm going to maintain one more thing is in edit mode. Yeah, true, because when we load the page we are setting the design mode equal to on, so this page will be in design mode for the initial time, for in the initial load. Okay, now we just define the view source code and toggle source method. If showing the source code true means make it false, make it true. Okay, let's write the logic to make the switch. Rich text field dot document dot get element by tag name. Yeah, it's fine. So inside body, so this will give the array, so I'm taking the first index, inner HTML equal to, so the same thing, I'm taking all content as a text content. So what happens is the text content will be converted into HTML in this case. So this will show the HTML view of the designed page, and I'm going to do the reverse here. I'm going to set the text content for this from the HTML content of the same page. If you take a look at this code, you will understand why I'm doing this. Okay, so this is very easy to understand also, and the final part is, what is that? I forgot. I'm sorry, I forgot what we are doing. Yeah, toggle edit. I'm not sure whether the method name is right or wrong. Let me confirm. Yeah, toggle edit. So same logic here, is in edit mode, just make it false. Just make it as true. Okay, here where logic goes. Actually, you know it already. Just copy this. If this is already in edit mode, just switch it off. Otherwise, switch it on. This is the logic. Yeah, we're done with this. In the next video, we are going to test and fix the issues of this rich text editor. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.